I'll give you a refund for that ticket. No, I am absolutely wrong. This person is just fully playing a game right behind you.
She's deaf. She's deaf.
She's deaf? My bad. You do you, boo-boo. I wouldn't have made her pay. You said you wanted 3 tickets. I would not have made you pay for 3 tickets if I knew someone was just hanging out. You know what I mean? I'll give you a refund for that ticket. No, I am absolutely wrong. You have no idea what a comeback I'm about to make. Bring in our interpreter. Does anyone know ASL? What? She's fluent? Could you actually interpret? Is this a hate crime?
Okay. She doesn't know ASL. She lost her cochlear today, and she took out her hearing aid. So usually she can hear perfectly fine with both of them in.
Got it.
But she lost her cochlear, so she can't hear so well.
Got it.
And her hearing aid doesn't do.
Well, good thing we have our cochlear implant specialist. What was I saying before I canceled myself? I would so appreciate it if you helped me write my apology, because it seems like you like me.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can be friends.
Great. Good. Yeah. We're definitely friends. 100%. I'll take you to dinner. We'll iron out the details. I'll make a large donation to a hospital that does cochlear implant stuff. We'll do a photo after this. What's that?
I thought I'm in.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
She's gonna be like, what the fuck was going on at that show? I don't know what to, you're looking at me, but I don't know what to do in this situation. What's that?
I can barely hear anything, but I'm trying to read your lips.
Okay. Thanks for dying my belly. Get it together! Yes, yeah. There we go. How long have I been on stage? I did 20 minutes of deaf Jewish crowd work. All right. Is that a TikTok niche? It better fucking be. If that doesn't go viral for Jewish deaf people, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with that.